chose to participate in the caucuses rather than compete in the primary, which didn't award delegates and was more of a symbolic contest. Nikki Haley, who chose the primary over the caucus, ended up losing to the none of these candidates option by more than 30 points. She's accused the state party of being in the tank for Trump, and last night, once again, slammed her party here in Nevada.
Told months ago that this was a sham. The GOP chair, he's under indictment. He worked with Trump. They created these caucuses.
Now, Dana, as you know, Nevada is a battleground state and could play a critical, pivotal role.
It's raining
Which is
time.
why Trump and President
Ulan
Biden
kami
both spent
dito.
time, talking to voters here. Dana?
In Las Vegas. Thank you.
So we have a measure of what's happening in this campaign. Going back 24 days now in Iowa. Donald Trump that night won every county except for one. Then we moved on to New Hampshire. About 8 days later or so, Donald Trump won every county except for one. Right, Grafton County to Nikki Haley. And last night, Relecia was reporting out there in Nevada. All 17 counties went for Donald Trump. He swept that, and also a pretty good performance out there in Virgin Islands. What is coming up next on the calendar in the month of February? We're coming up quickly now.
It's raining.
Where we are now, 2 weeks and one
Ulan kami dito. Ulan.
over here. You need 1,215 delegates to get the
Good morning, everyone. Good evening, Philippines.
Trump is at 63.
So, and then after South Carolina, of course.
Work again.
Have you seen this body cam footage?
Ulan kami. Ulan. Highway ako ngayon ng highway. Work mode. Trabaho again. Trabaho. Trabaho pa more. Trabaho muna tayo para sa ekonomiya. Or mag-interstate ako today. Tingnan natin kung hindi pa traffic. Ulan. So I hope it's not traffic. Papunta na to ng ng spring. Ang ice pa to mag slick. Ako nag-snow pa. Slick, ulan, snow, ice, black ice pala. Nasanay na lang mag-drive. Walang ibang choice. Try ko sa interstate. Hindi pa siya traffic. Baka namang walang traffic. Ulan kasi. Sarap hindi lumabas ng bahay pag ulan. Oy. Masarap na sa bahay lang lagi. Sira-sira yung mga road na dito dahil sa ice. Nagbiyak-biyak. Hindi ba ito ano? Tapakan o sa anong tawag nun? Abunuhan ba? Abunuhan. Dito ako sa interstate. Let's see. Traffic dito maganda. Dire-diretso. So dito ulit. We'll see kung hindi ba traffic.
In this photo, the left field is authentic Xander's and the right is counter. They're making exact
ang traffic. Yan! Yeah.
Now, there was a marketing plastic bag, which they put and sell fentanyl, meth, and cocaine. They know what they're doing. They're marketing to
So, I'm in the Red Crest
medical deaths raising for the
Road.
United States.
Campbell Street on Red Crest.
Don't get a look inside that office at the DEA. So the Buzz is building ahead of the big game in Las Vegas. The San Francisco 49ers get ready to face the Kansas City Chiefs.
Ang lakas ng ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan. Oo. 30 lang to dito. Diba? Nag-ano na ako. Overspeed. May police. Police! Nag-overspeed pa. 30 lang. Drive pa ng 50. So, madali lang to dito na side. Out na ano ka na. I'm going to the other side. Still remember Oh, the snake. There's a snake in the road.
And here's the best part. Insurance may cover 100% of the cost of your medication. So go to trylifemt.com to have your eligibility checked right now. Get started today at trylifemt.com. That's TRYLIFEMT.com. And before my meeting merchant services, attention business owners, are you tired of those hefty credit card fees cutting into your profits? We've got some exciting news for you. Thanks to the Durbin Amendment, there's now a game-changing solution to eliminate those pesky credit and debit card fees. You're processing unlimited transactions for just $99 a month. Our Mandates software gives your customers 200 points based on how they pay. Full or credit card limits. It's that simple. And here's the best part. You can enjoy 24/7 support next to having a virtual terminal, online gateway, and ACH processing. Our Mandates solution is available in all 50 states, making it the go-to choice for thousands of businesses looking to eliminate processing fees for good. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level and say goodbye to credit card fees, call 800-976-2526 now. That's 800-976-2526. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call 800-976-2526 and make the change today. That's 800-976-2526. Again, 800-976-2526. And paid for by America First Tax Group. Attention, if you or your business is behind in filing your tax returns, or if you owe over $10,000 in back taxes to the IRS, please listen carefully. The IRS does not joke around and will mess up your collection efforts. If you're tired of the IRS letters, levies, liens, or wage garnishments and would like to get stuck, we can help.
Here and here.
IRS is making it easier than ever to settle tax problems for those who owe more than $10,000. We can help settle your tax problems and your collections efforts.
Excuse me. What? Insurance of the car was so expensive. What car is this? The Ford. 1000. The F350. So this is the Ford. The Ford. It's so expensive. Crap. very expensive. Kaya, even part for Lake Ohio. Amount to what? Even part Ohio. Ayan. Ang mahal-mahal pag ano, may car insurance. Kaya pag ano, naku po, mas mabuti pa siguro walang sasakyan, maglakad para walang gasto. Walang gasto sa fuel. Bakit sa Pilipinas dati naglalakad lang kami? Bakit ngayon dito hindi pwede? Bakit nga ba? Okay. Nag-work siya, nag-work. Let's see if this one's nag-work din to. Is this working too? Oh, okay. This is working. $36 pa. Ito muna ako sa ano. Kasi bubuksan ko muna yung office. Tapos oh my God, ang dilim. Sorry. Nagbukas po ako sa ano. Sa office. Oh my gosh, sorry. Aray. Kaya eto. Ay, ang init pala. Kaya pala. Dahil ang init. Kaya pala. Hello. How are ya? Hello. How are ya? ha. Ay. Linis-linis muna ako. Christmas card. It's really there. Hello, hello. Thank you, thank you, thank you.